Hi, in this video I will show you how to add favorites on SAP. So this one is relatively easy. You just need to head over to sap.com, and if you already have an account from there, you can click onto this person icon right here and then just go over to the products and you can install it from there, and you should be able to have a SAP application from them. If you want to create a favorite, what you can do is you can just go over to SAP. So here's a demo of what it should look like. Just go over to the application and then select your favorites folder. Right click on it and click on this insert transaction or insert or add other objects. Once you have done that, just input right here the transaction or the object that you want to add. For example, in this case, you just need to insert the transaction code and click on this check option right here in order to add it. After that, you should be able to see it already right here under your favorites. Other method to add a favorite is, for example, if a code is already existing, what you can do is you can just click onto that code, then click onto this icon right here. So this icon is the add to favorites icon. You can also use the shortcut for the keyboard in order to add it right there. And once you have done that, it should be already added right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.